So the official Samsung video for installing the screen protector makes it look dead easy, but as we all know, real life tends to be a little different than these marketing videos would have us believe. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install the official Samsung screen protector on the brand new Samsung S10 FE. And one thing to note is that the actual screen protector itself doesn't mention the S10 FE, it only mentions the S9 FE, but that's just because the box hasn't been updated yet. I'm sure it will be. It is compatible. So the first thing we're going to want to do is make sure we lay everything out on the table in front of us. So inside this box we have the screen protector itself, which is actually made up of 3 layers. So inside the accessory box here we have an instruction manual. Good luck with that. The sort of, I don't know, bubble removing brush, can we call it that? I don't know, I'm going to call it a bubble removing brush. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We'll use that later. We have the microfiber cleaning cloth, so we're going to use this in a moment. A couple of dust removal stickers. I mean, it says it on the label, so I'm guessing that's what they are. And then we should still, if I can get it out, come on. Yes, there we go. Have the main applicators. So to clarify, that's everything you should have. Apart from the instruction manual, we're not using that. And we're just going to give the screen a wipe with the included microfiber cloth. And once you've got the screen cleaned, remove any fingerprints and dust. We'll just use these applicators here, or these sticky pads. Boing, boing, boing. So with the tablet in this orientation, the front-facing camera is just here at the top centre. Over, as you look at the tablet, on the top right is where we're going to place the first of these I don't know, support corner thingies, and they just have a little sticky on them which we're going to pull off there, okay, or protector on the sticky, so this will actually now grip to the tablet. So try and line that up perfectly. So it is obviously a right angle guide, and so we need to make sure that both sides of the tablet are lined up correctly. And then we're going to use the second of these on the bottom left corner as you are looking at the front of the tablet. And yeah, just make sure that that is lined up nicely on both sides. Another bit of a wipe with the cloth. And now you might be able to see on the actual screen protector, we have these tabs up here with the holes in. It won't surprise you to learn that these are going in the tabs that are just on those plastic supports we've connected. Now, something the Samsung video just skips over really quickly is the fact that we have this part down the middle here. It's got this number 1 on it saying to remove. But before you remove this, just be aware of the number 2 up here and which way this is facing, because that's got to be facing you when you put this onto the tablet, okay? Oh gosh, that other video, it just goes over this so quickly, I'm not surprised people are messing it up. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and remove this number 1 here. And now we're going to place this down onto the tablet with that number 2 as you look at the tablet in the top right, so that the little cutout on the screen protector is just keeping the camera clear. Now we're going to use our special tool here, okay? Hopefully that's lined up correctly. And starting from the middle, we're going to push our way towards the camera and then push our way down, and just repeat that a few times, okay? Just do your best to get the screen protector in place here. And now we're going to have to remove the bottom layers, which I'm going to be honest with you, this is where things get a little bit tricky. So I'm actually going to turn this so it is facing me. So what we're going to do is lift all 3 layers in. Now the screen protector is still in the middle of these 3 layers. So how do we get the middle onto the actual screen? The part we haven't yet touched with any fingers. This is where we need to be careful because it is a bit fiddly. We don't want to be touching that with our hands because we're going to get fingerprints everywhere if we do. So we're going to fold it back. I'm going to use the tool here. Hopefully you can see this until we get it from past the crease. And then that should lift off, allowing us to push the actual screen protector down onto the tablet. That is fiddly, okay? And there's a whole ton of bubbles in here, I'm going to be honest with you. So I'm just going to try and work some of these bubbles out here before we move on. Honestly, these stupid videos that Samsung put out and other brands do my head in because it's nothing like the real thing. They make it look like, oh yeah, that's so easy. Let's just go ahead and do the other side, shall we? I know it's bubblicious at the minute, but I want to try and get it in place at least if we can. Yeah, there's just no way to do this with no bubbles. The darn thing looks like it's got measles or something. Now with those covers removed, we still have, you know, not quite got to just the screen protector layer itself. So see what bubbles I can remove here to get us started, and then we'll have to try and weasel some out when the screen protector itself is just in place. Okay, now is this perfect? No, it isn't. But it's a lot better having removed some of those bubbles. So I'm generally happy with the result here. It's about, you know, maybe a little better than what I expected. So all that's left to do is to remove these applicators, which are actually stuck on quite well. There we go. And I can start using my tablet for the first time. So let me know what you guys think. Did you manage to get your screen protector installed without issue? Or if you have any tips, something that maybe I've missed that you think will help others, please do share those. But thank you for stopping by, checking out the video, and I'll catch you next time.